Hi everybody, welcome back to Love Always Angie. I'm glad you're here. If you're new here, I'm Angie, and I hope that you will hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today I am starting a Back to Basics series, and we're going to start with a how-to on how to strip the bed, wash the sheets, and remake the bed with all the linens, and I'm going to show you a couple of different ways on how to make the bed. So stick around. So I'm going to drop the bed so it's flat, and then I'm going to strip the linens and get them into the washing machine. We need to get another set of sheets, but they're just super expensive and I haven't done it yet. So we just have the one set, so I wash them and put them right back on the bed. I have a love-hate relationship with washing the bed linens. I love to climb into a bed that's with fresh, clean sheets. It's like one of my favorite things, and it's so restful. I sleep so well on the nights that we climb into bed with fresh sheets on it. But man, I hate stripping the bed, washing the sheets, and remaking the bed. But it's a chore that has to be done, and the more often we do it, the more I get to enjoy those fresh, clean sheets. Are you guys like that? Do you have a love-hate relationship with stripping the bed and washing the sheets? And do you have more than one set of sheets, or are you like me? Do you just have one that you wash and put back on?
I've been holding on, I wouldn't let you go, 'cause every time I try.
So now I have all the bed sheets taken off of the bed, but I'm also going to wash the mattress protectors today as well, which is something I do probably 2 or 3 times a year. So when I start this laundry, I'm going to start with the mattress protectors because that's the first thing that has to go back on the bed.
Find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you go. When I come back, you feed it up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape. While my heart wants to.
Okay, now I've got the linens washed. I'm going to go ahead and start making the bed. And the first thing I'm going to do is put on our mattress protectors, and you can see their cloth on this side. Their plastic are on this side, not like a crinkly plastic that makes a bunch of noise like wrapping paper, but you can see it's waterproof. And it's very important to put a waterproof mattress protector on your mattress, whether it's ours is a king size split. So it's a king size bed that's split into 2 twins. So we have twin mattress protectors, twin fitted sheets, king size top sheet, king size comforter blanket. You want to put a mattress protector on no matter what size your sheets are, and you want to make sure that it's waterproof for a variety of reasons. Your mattress is going to get bodily fluids on it. You're going to sneeze, you're going to cough. If you have toddlers or small children, they might wet the bed, have an accident, somebody might get sick. So you want to protect, mattresses are expensive. You want to protect them as much as you can. Having something like this protects the investment in your mattress. If somebody gets sick on that, you're going to have a hard time getting that out of the mattress itself and getting that smell out of the mattress. This, you just take it off, throw it in the washing machine, throw it in the dryer, put it back on, problem solved. So these are not expensive. I think they were under $25 at Target, to be truthful with you. Just make sure it's waterproof, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is get these mattress protectors back on the mattresses. As you can see, it's easier to put the mattress protector on with the head raised, so I'm going to go ahead and put the fitted sheet on at the same time.
Know exactly where to push or pull, and I am going mad just like you knew I would. You're reading me like an open book. You know me better than I ever thought you could.
And now I'll do the same thing to this side of the bed.
My body rush for the escape.
Next comes the fitted sheet. Now, if you're going to fold your comforter and your sheet back to show the sheet if you have a pattern, ours are white because I like to bleach them, then you want to put your sheet on with the pattern facing down. So when you fold it back, the pattern is showing. I don't make the bed that way, so I use ours with the pattern or with the right side up. So I'm going to put the sheet on the bed and I'm going to make sure it's on the same length as hanging down on both sides, and I want it to reach the very top of the bed. Now we need to wait for the blanket to come out of the washing machine. I don't worry about hospital corners with my sheets because Phil hates the top sheet tucked in, so he'll pull that out every single night anyway. So I just tuck it under so it's not hanging down underneath of the blankets. But when that blanket's done, we'll be back and finish up this bed. Okay, now the blanket's clean and dry, so we're going to get the blanket on the bed, and then we're going to get the comforter and the pillows on the bed, and I'm going to do the blanket the same way I did the top sheet. If you're going to, like, this has a clear front and back. This is much smoother. This is much rougher. If you're going to fold your sheets and blanket back, then you're going to want this on top, so you're going to want this facing downward. I don't do that, so I'm going to face it upward. If you're going to pull the comforter back and leave your blanket up, then you want this part on the top. Okay, now here's where your creativity comes in and how you can change the look of your bedroom up simply by how you put the final pieces of bedding on. I'm going to show you how I make the bed, and then I'm going to show you a different option.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my tune. Choo-ah. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
It's gonna look a little wonky because I'm missing a pillowcase. I don't know where it is. It's stuck in the laundry somewhere. So I'll fix the bed when I get it back.
Turn it up on a higher level.
This is how I dress the bed currently. If you want some different options,
Turn it up, we got this. You better join in. You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my tune. Choo-ah. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up.
this is a look I like very much. I think this is very inviting and very welcoming. It's very cozy. and it just sort of invites you in. It's better even if your pillow shams match your comforter versus the blankets. Like ours blend into the blanket, which is what I wanted. I wanted them to complement the shams. Therefore, we use them a little bit differently. And then if I had ivory throw pillows I could put there, or more pillows this color in a different print I could put there. But that gives you a couple ideas of how you can dress your bed and how you want to take care of your linen. So you want to make sure you're washing your blankets and your mattress protectors at least 3 times a year. And you want to make sure that you're washing your sheets and pillowcases every week. If you don't use a top sheet, and a lot of people don't, if you're just using your blanket, then you want to wash that blanket every week, just like you would your sheets. And then you can play around with how you want to dress your bed. Some people will fold those blankets and sheets down. Because our sheets are white and our blanket is ivory, it almost looks like the blanket isn't clean if I do that, so I don't do that. I do like this look. It's just a little bit more time consuming, and I usually just go ahead and put the comforter all the way up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for stopping by. We'll talk soon.